Today I want to talk about the Luhn-10 algorithm. I first ran into this during my time at Safeway back in the mid-1990s. I was a DTC or Data Transmissions Clerk, and during times of high tensions, like the Turkey War of 1994 when Tesco and Safeway got into a crazy price war that had everyone scrambling to replace tickets every 24 hours, I would switch over from my role as a DTC and became an additional FMC or File Maintenance Clerk.
At noon on January the 21st, 2013, Tesco's invaded Denmark with 200 superstores and 1,500 Tesco Expresses.
What file are we talking about maintaining here? This is the pricing file. We would have a connection to head office using something called an ISDN line. This was basically an expensive precursor to DSL broadband in that it was a dedicated line, but it wasn't particularly fast. As a result, head office couldn't send down new pricing files each day, so they'd just send us the delta list containing the changes. We'd print the new tickets out, merge the changes with our database, and then run around for the next few hours ripping old stickers and tickets off the shelves and putting new ones up in their place. At the same time, the newspapers would get their overnight advertising delivered, and in the morning, Tesco would freak out and undercut Safeway. This would result in a tit-for-tat battle that went on for weeks every 24 hours. This was when I started getting into barcodes and PLUs, or price lookup codes. Most people know what a barcode is, but a PLU is normally a shortened code that is on a sheet in front of a checkout operator. This is what they refer to when they're dealing with fruits or vegetables. So a conference pair is 3019, a Satsuma 3029. Now there's a problem here. How do you know if the code is correctly entered? In rare circumstances, the 3029 Satsuma, there will be an extra digit appended to the end of the PLU. Why and where does this extra digit come from? This comes from the Luhn-10 algorithm. If we divide the odd position numbers and the even ones like this, now we double up the odd position numbers, and if the number that comes out as a result is greater than 10, well, we just add those two numbers together. So here the 9 times 2 comes to 18, which is greater than 10. So we just take the 1 and the 8, smash them together, now we have a 9. This number is then what we will carry down, and finally we tally up all of the numbers along the bottom and we get a total. Now, the difference between that total and the next higher multiple of 10 is the check digit. This is the same algorithm used on credit cards, barcodes, phone IMEI numbers, and so on. Now a quick note about the 5-digit PLUs. If it begins with a 9, this normally means it's organic produce. Also, bear in mind that PLU lists have huge gaps in the list for supermarkets to fill in their own regional fruits and vegetables. Anyway, I hope this has been informative. If you like these vlogs, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. If you want to see more, hit subscribe and speak to you soon. Bye.